So next I'll show you how to make the basic gravy for the black chana. So here I have one onion, garlic, 1 inch of ginger, green chilies, and a few tomatoes. Like I think it needs more, you can add more tomatoes and less onion if you want it. And then we will use a cast iron skillet to make the gravy, and it can be made two ways. Either you can put that back in the instant pot itself, or you can just make it in the iron skillet. This is the iron skillet, and just pour some oil. Cumin seed, onion, garlic, ginger, and saute it for a few minutes. So I'll put some salt in this one because I already have some salt. So I'll just put little bit of salt. Then I'll put red chilies. Again some turmeric, dhania powder, and little bit of garam masala, and little bit of some mango powder. Just mix it and wait for a few more minutes. And let this simmer for a few minutes. Few minutes, and now pour the remaining water. And now let it cook for 10 minutes or so. So I will just leave it on for a few minutes. So it's been few minutes now, and my gravy is still simmering, and this is how it looks like. So I'll just keep it on for a few minutes, but this is optional, just to give the color. The chana is